guys, I'm back again and today I'm gonna show you how to make this super cool and very easy to make game. It's called Flags. So here we have the name and let me expand. I'm gonna show you how it works. Here we have flags of different countries. It can be as many as you want and we click once and we can see what the country is. It's England, this one is Korea, China, Chile, India, Mexico, Japan and Germany. And that's an application for kids to learn flags and countries. So it's very easy to do, basically a few lines of code. It just pops up for a second and then disappears. That's how kids can learn flags or anything, words, languages. Okay, so let's do it. So first of all, we need to create a new sprite. We go to this little kitten. Lots of kids make a mistake. They go to backdrop. So look, here I go on backdrop and I can see that something standing at the back. So if you need something standing at the back, you can click and you will have it. But normally, if you want to have a character, something you can code or play with, you go to little kitten. And here is paint. And I need to paint a flag. So I go to little square, rectangular tool, and I choose a color. For example, I will choose bluish and I will make a rectangle. Put it like here. And I need the same one to make the second part of the flag. So I choose this arrow tool, select tool, and I copy with Alt. So let me just write. Let Alt on your keyboard gives you possibility to copy. So look, I just drag it and I hold Alt and I have a perfect copy. I put it out here and I change this color for yellow and I will have a flag of Ukraine. Let me throw it away. And we have a beautiful flag. Let's make it smaller, like maybe 50. I put it out here and I need a costume, another one. So when I click another costume, give me the answer, what country and how people are called in this country. So let me just click on duplicate. And here I choose the instrument text tool. I click once, I choose a color, maybe black. And here I choose font. What font do I want? What's good about Turbowarp instead of Scratch, you can add more fonts. So if you don't have enough and if you don't like those that you have out here, you click add fonts and you can add from file if you have fonts in file or system font, something that you have already installed. Look, installed. Look how many of them I have. Extra fruity. Okay, let's add it. Add. And I click it. Extra fruity system font. I click it and I have it out here already. You see? Nice. But I just need a simple one. Something very, very simple. Let me click and then let me write Ukraine. Make it bigger. Put it out here. And let's copy it with Alt. And people who live in Ukraine are called Ukrainian. Ukrainian. Okay, here we go. We have one sprite and two costumes for it. Costume 1 and costume 2. Let me show you. Costume 1 and costume 2. So let's go to code. And the code gonna look like this. When green flag clicked, switch to costume 1. Because costume 1, that the one that doesn't have any text. Switch to costume 1. And when this sprite clicked, switch to costume 2. And then we have to wait 1 second, and switch back to costume 1. Let me test it. So I think that's a flag of China. I click, you see, it works. You can add frame, whatever you want, but that's the basic idea. That's it. You just make more and more flags, and flags are easy to do because they're basically, like blocks, not much painting. Code is very simple. It actually can be even more simple. Let me show you. Let me throw everything away and I will do like this. When this sprite clicked, next costume. That's it. If you have kids like 4 or 5 years old, that will be the code for those kids. because they are little. It's very hard for them to read, understand. So if you wanna level down, so let's do it. I click it. You see, it works. I just click and it changes to next costume. It has two costumes. That's simple. So that's it, guys. Sign up, subscribe, see ya.